Determine whether the value is a parameter or a statistic. 2/3 of the class are freshmen. In this case, we are talking about all members of a class, and 2/3 of that class happen to be freshmen. So since we're talking about all members of the class, this is referring to a population of items, and therefore any calculation based off of a population is a parameter. 61.4% of all registered voters turned out for the 2016 elections. Here we have a percentage of all registered voters who turned out for elections. And this is indicating every single person who is a registered voter, so that's a population of items. And any calculated value based off of a population is a parameter. If it were a calculated value based off of a sample, then it would be a statistic. Using Consumer Reports, a random sample of new cars gave an average of 30.5 miles per gallon. Now this one's pretty straightforward because we are told that this is a random sample of new cars. And if we are working with a sample of items, then that indicates that any value calculated based off of that would be a statistic. Because any values calculated off of a sample of items give you statistics. Any values calculated based off of a population give you parameters. Facebook recently tested all of their servers and found that 99% were performing as intended. Is this a parameter or a statistic? Well, in this case, they are testing all of their servers. So they're not leaving any of the servers out. They're not testing a small group to see what's happening with those. In general, they are testing all of their servers. So that is a population of items. And anytime you do a population study, the results of that study yield parameters.